this is not the review you are looking for. If you would like a brutally honest review on dry skin with this foundation in the shade Vienna and the concealer 23, I got you. Might not be the best, but I got you. Sorry for my attitude if it decides to pop out later on in the video, because this foundation was super frustrating. Really frustrating, you guys. But anyways, we're gonna restart this and you guys will see it, so enjoy. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I am not wearing any makeup. I am actually doing a wear test on a foundation that I finally got in the mail from Juvia's place. It is the I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Vienna and the Juvia's Place Concealer in 23. So I will be putting these two to the test. And it is now 7 a.m. and I'm going to be wearing this until 5 p.m. so you guys get a first impressions and a wear test in the same video. I will be outside doing some yard work later, so in Tennessee, heat, very hot, very humid and sticky. We can see how this actually holds up in summer weather. For reference, my perfect foundation that I've ever found to match me skin tone wise is 420 by L'Oreal Infallible. And after this wear test, I will be comparing the two together in a separate video if you guys are interested in seeing how my Holy Grail foundation holds up to this foundation. So for wear test purposes, I'm going to apply one side with a brush and I'll apply the side with a sponge. And I will just apply both sides with a sponge on the concealer part. I have prepped and primed my skin with all my Holy Grail products. I do love to use this right before. Nessa, one of my best friends here on YouTube, she actually bought this for me and sent it to me as a gift. And I do like to use this primer, the Touch and Soul primer. I think it's absolutely beautiful. So I am using these in combination with I lost track of what I was going to say. That's full cover. Jeez. It's slightly orange on me. I mean, it's slightly orange on me. Can you guys see that? Do you think it matches with my neck? I don't know. We'll see. Let's keep going. Oh, I might have used way too much. Alright, I am obviously doing sponge on this side. Just a little about this product. It is 1 fluid ounce, which is normal for foundations. And the concealer has a lot. This has 0.34 ounces. So this is a lot of concealer, you guys. Holding it up to my Jeffree Star concealer, this is 3.4 milliliters. This is 10 milliliters. There's a huge difference. And I think this will be the perfect color for under my eye. Oh yeah, this is way too dark. This is too dark on me, y'all. If you guys are in this shade range for L'Oreal Infallible, I would suggest you get the lighter neutral color, which I believe is Bali, and they were actually sold out of that, and that was the color I was going to get. So I would suggest doing that, and this is actually oxidizing and getting darker, so I need to bring this down my neck, which I was not planning on doing, but it looks like I'm gonna have to, because it's starting to get real dark. You can see, look, it's so dark. I look so orange. This is not my color. Wow. That looks not good. Right here, I don't know if you guys, I don't have a soft focus filter on my camera at all. I don't know if you guys can see all this down here is a ton of texture I did not even know that I had. Like, it just is all bumpy looking. Can you guys see that? It's like exaggerating the texture in my skin, which is not a good look. This looks so ridiculous. Look how much lighter it is, and it definitely dries down way, way, way dark. I never apply my makeup with a brush. I don't even know why I do a brush test with it. Because, like, I never wear it with a brush anyways. I always use a beauty blender. There is one thing for sure. I can definitely feel this on my skin. Like, I can feel that I have a heavy foundation on for sure. Like, it's thick. Like, it is thick, y'all. I can't seem to blend this into my hairline. Like, it's just looking worse and worse. Oh, that looks terrible. Okay, let's try this concealer. Let's see how this works. I haven't set it yet, and it's already super exaggerating. Oh my. Look at, it's already like super sinking into my smile lines. So if you have smile lines like me, I would set this immediately. Alright, so this seems to be a really nice color for me, so let's see how this looks blended out. That actually just blended in perfectly with my skin tone, actually. I think this was the color I should have gotten in a foundation. This looks like it would have been perfect for my skin tone. I got slightly more orange of a foundation though, but that's okay. I think that'll be fine for summer to give me a little bit more of a tan. But let me set this and we'll see how my powders work with this. Wow. Well, it does give you a blank canvas, that's for sure. I mean, whoa. We have to add some dimension back in this face. This is scaring me a little. Okay, so as of right now, I have to, hold on, oh, it is. I haven't set it yet with setting spray, you know, to kind of soften the powder, but it is so cakey. Ew, it's so cakey, you guys. It is already terrible around my mouth, my smile. This looks like I've worn it for 8 hours already. I have dry skin, and I know that I put on a ton of powder, but I do that with this foundation, and I look like an airbrushed goddess at the end of the night. This is not even 10 minutes, and it looks like I've been wearing it for 5 days. This is nasty. I am not impressed. This is just gross. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to apply the rest of my powders, like my bronzer, my contour, and then I'm going to set my face. Go ahead and put my makeup look on, and then come back on so you can see how everything has sat on. And I will have you zoomed in as far as I can go, and I will crawl up on this desk so you guys can see my frustration. This is, ugh. It's emphasizing texture on areas I didn't even know I had texture. It is severely sinking into my lines. It is even going all the way up here in this nose line here, which no foundation has ever gone all the way up there. It is, like, normally it's just right here. This one is going all the way up here. The sides of my nose look absolutely disgusting. This concealer is not, it's definitely sitting in all my wrinkles. It's aging my eye. Ew! Ew, you guys, look at this. Look, I don't know if you can see this. Can you see that? Look at, ew. That's disgusting. None of my other concealers do that. Like, look at that. Jeffree Star's concealer did this before you set it, but once you set it, it becomes like airbrushed and flawless. This is Alright, I'll be right back. I just did a really quick makeup look. I apologize for my eyebrows. They're doing their own thing today, and they're not cooperating with me, and also my pomade is drying out, and it's extremely hard to create my eyebrows with. I need a new one. I think I'll go ahead and buy a new one probably later today, but it's not about my makeup or my eyebrows. This is about the base. So I can't go any farther. As you can see here, in between my eyebrows is starting to cake up. Do you see that texture there? Do you see all this texture right here? Like, I don't know what that is. That's weird. This glow here on my forehead is actually from my highlighter. So, ignore the glow. This is a very matte foundation. There's no shine to it. Okay, so my forehead lines look decent. Those don't look bad at all. This area right here is looking terrible. The sides of my nose, on the brush side, I feel like the brush didn't even get in there very well. That might have been the brush's problem, but it's like this whole crease of my nose like missed foundation application, and like this little corner here is missing some. Ew! Gross! Once again, this texture is very prevalent on my jawline. Like, you can see all that. Thank you, Rebel T7i camera, for showing every single pore and line. Thank you. This right here is a cakey, nasty mess. Actually, the brush side is a lot less cakier than the sponge side. So keep that in mind, which is weird, because wouldn't the sponge shear it out more? I guess not. This side, the sponge side, this nose is disgusting. You guys look. Oh, I just got lipstick on my brush, sorry. Look at my nose. Can you see that? Ew. It's already like caking up in there and separating. I have a smile line. I have smile lines right here. Like, those are cool. I have a new smile line that just popped up out of nowhere. Right here. On the other side of my first smile line. And then this smile line is going all the way up to my nose. So, thanks for aging me. And it is so dry and cakey around this side of my mouth here. I don't know why that is. I exfoliated the crap out of my skin and super moisturized it. And it is still just looking like a desert right here. Let's get to this concealer because minus some little mascara flakes. Where did that concealer go? I'm missing all this concealer right here. Like, it's not even there anymore. Like, where did it disappear to? I don't know. Also, as soon as I set it, it started caking up everywhere and getting deep set into lines. Oh, look. That's great. And it's just, I have very dry skin. I was told this was going to be pretty hydrating. It is now gone. I haven't even been wearing this makeup 20 minutes, and it has already disappeared from this area, and it is caking up and settling into all my lines under my eyes. I'm gonna wear this, y'all. This is gonna be a wear test. I said I would, and I'm going out in the heat today, so we'll see. We'll see what this looks like when I get back. So I will see you shortly. Alright, you guys, it is 7 p.m. And, sorry, I have a tiny human. So, as you can see, my forehead looks pretty much the same. That's nice. And I still have, I didn't get any, like, dewier. No, I didn't. I'm still fairly matte. The only glow I have is from my highlighter. So, I'm really dry. I don't have any oils that amazingly pop through and make my skin look healthy. I'm not blessed. So this side is my sponge side. I can see this is just a cakey, nasty mess. It's starting to separate here. It is already just, it's disgusting on my nose. This is just so textured. This line is just deep. So much texture. It didn't wear any better. My concealer is, there's no concealer there anymore. Like, it's all disappeared. This side over here is my brush side. Look at that concealer. Hey, look at my face. I have a new foundation, and no, it's not the foundation I normally wear. What do you think of my face?
You look a lot older. Like, it looks like Father Time has taken its toll on your face. Like, I went back to the future.
That's a very,
and then this is my wife now. She's aged like 5 to 6 years.
That's excessive. I would say 5. 6 is a bit excessive. Thank you for that.
Anyways, love you, bye.
How long have we been married?
13 years.
Okay, well, it's about, that's all it's gonna be.
I'll do up the papers.
Okay. Okay, so this is, well, great. That's what happens when you push your nose with a brush. You just get, okay. Sorry if you can hear my daughter. She's very tired. She has not had a nap today. I had to have my husband come get her because she was, welcome to my lip. That's nasty. All of this are on my nose. Look, that's completely gone. This is just ew. Inside is just ew. Sorry about my daughter. There's my extra smile line that I grew overnight. That's great. All the texture is still there. I'm gonna go ahead and wear it tomorrow again, and I'm gonna compare it to my Holy Grail foundation. So we're gonna do a quick wear test again tomorrow. Okay guys, that is all I have for this. In the end, my opinion is, I think that's been clear this whole video. My friend Nessa also has a review on her channel. I can't find the thing where she sent me what color concealer she is. I think it's 20. But she is in Fez. She's the color Fez. So if you are in more of the medium olive-y type skin tones, I will link her channel below and you can go check her wear test out and review as well, because maybe it's better than mine. I'm dying. Okay, that's really all I have now. Bye! This is not the review you are looking for. I have prepped and primed my skin with all my holy, well, if you guys like some super thick, heavy foundations, I mean, I don't think you'll be disappointed. Do I stuff my teeth? I've had hot dogs and relish. It's not what you want to see.